Let's talk about Cathie Wood, the queen of disruption and the driving force behind innovation in the investment industry. Wood has a history of making profitable bets on businesses that are changing the game, and his investment in Tesla is one that has been generating buzz in the financial community. Wood has demonstrated a sharp eye for spotting businesses that are not just breaking new ground, but also positioned for rapid expansion in his role as CEO of ARK Invest. Her investment in Tesla, the industry leader in clean energy and electric vehicles, is evidence of her visionary and fearless approach to investing. Cathie is expanding her Tesla share purchases despite the uncertain economic climate, and we, the Tesla bulls, may all take a cue from her bravery during these trying times. ARK Invest has gained a reputation for its daring decisions and avant-garde investment philosophy under Wood's direction. Additionally, Wood has discovered in Tesla a business that represents the innovation and change she seeks in her investments. So grab a seat, everyone, and let's examine Cathie Wood's Tesla investment and its implications for technology and finance going forward. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons before we proceed. Despite the fact that 2024 was clearly a terrible year for Tesla stock, Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Investment Management, continued to be a bull on the company by continuously buying shares. Wood has bought Tesla shares multiple times in recent months, demonstrating his optimism for the company's long-term prospects. Wood amassed shares in Tesla twice in October alone. She purchased more than 132,000 Tesla shares in October following the company's announcement of missing deliveries. She also sold another 66,190 shares in mid-October following the stock's decline in response to Tesla's Q3 report. After the automaker's ups and downs on Wall Street, Wood, portfolio manager at ARK Invest, said the company's 3 ETFs saw the buying opportunity in Tesla shares. The Innovation ETF at ARK acquired 27,594 shares during the second week of November. In contrast, the next-gen internet and autonomous tech and robotics ETFs at ARK gained 2,909 and 9,173 shares, respectively. Once more, in mid-December, Wood's investment management company, ARK Invest, acquired 74,862 shares of the electric vehicle manufacturer through 3 of her exchange-traded funds for an estimated $11.7 million in total purchase price. 61,537 shares for the ARK Innovation Fund, 10,066 shares for the ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF ARKQ, and 3,259 shares for the ARK Next Generation Internet ETF were acquired by ARK as part of its Tesla deal. Wood's dip buying frenzy is all the more shocking given that investors are increasingly concerned that Musk may turn his attention away from Tesla, even in light of Musk's recent $44 billion take-private acquisition of Twitter. Cathie Wood made an additional $2 million investment in the first few days of 2023, despite CEO Elon Musk urging staff to ignore the stock decline and focus on the unexpected balance in Tesla shares. With an estimated value of over $2 million, Cathie Wood invested over $2 million to purchase 17,960 shares of Tesla. Daily transaction data shows that Wood's flagship ARK Innovation ETF paid $15.7 million for 145,000 shares of Tesla, while ARK's Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF paid $3.4 million for 31,000 extra shares. Many investors have taken notice of Cathie Wood's purchase of $90 million in Tesla stock just a few days into 2023, as well as the sale of $4.7 million in NVIDIA shares by ARK Innovation ETF. Despite a 57% decline in value over the previous year in ARK's flagship product, the ARK Innovation ETF, ARK Investment Management, is still bullish on Tesla. In an email update to investors, Wood expressed his conviction that Tesla would achieve 10x, which explains that by lowering the price of an electric vehicle, Tesla has multiplied the size of its potential market by 10. According to Wood, the car industry has seen a number of advances that have put established manufacturers in the auto industry as a whole at a competitive disadvantage. The largest manufacturer in the world, Tesla, was cited by Wood in her book Dangerous Innovation as having an autonomous taxi platform. Goldman Sachs, an investment banking firm, expressed its long-term bullishness on Tesla shares in mid-December and kept its buy recommendation, implying that the company's fortunes would likely continue to rise. Like Goldman, ARK has optimism over long-term delivery to put Tesla at the forefront of being able to drive down costs and pricing to help introduce electric autos to the mainstream market. They mentioned simplifying supply chains. Elon's primary role at Tesla right now is moving the company towards an autonomous taxi platform, which I think will happen in 2024, but I think he thinks will happen next year, according to Elon Musk's CFO, as reported by Yahoo Finance. Musk is still very much focused on the idea that Tesla and the electric vehicle industry as a whole are about to enter a new era and that the company is setting itself up to be at the forefront of this movement. With so many initiatives in the works, you might want to think about if this is a good moment to acquire Tesla, even though financial returns in the upcoming years might not match historical results. Cathie Wood, a longtime backer of Tesla and its upcoming advancements, is still very bullish about the company. In the span of a few days, Cathie Wood of ARK Invest projected that Tesla shares will hit $500 by 2026, even without accounting for autonomous cars or ride-hailing services. The 3-for-1 stock split that went into effect in August 2022, according to ARK's analyst Tasha Keeney, has been factored into the estimate. This gives the $4,600 per share pre-split price target for 2026 more context. This was disclosed by the corporation in mid-April 2022. According to Keeney, the corporation was incorporating ride-sharing services and driverless cars into their value model. According to company experts, these two components will make up around 60% of Tesla's value over the next 5 years. Additionally, she stated that the anticipated $500 per share represents a massive 4-fold increase over the stock's current valuation. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and hit the like and subscribe buttons to see more like this. I'll see you in the next video. I apologize for the inconvenience. Now let's go on. Wood is confident in the company's future growth potential, as seen by her projection that Tesla shares would reach $500 by 2026. Wood is adamant that Tesla can innovate and upend a number of industries, even in the face of current obstacles and market swings. It's important to note that Wood doesn't limit his investment approach to Tesla. In her capacity as CEO of ARK Invest, she is in charge of a broad portfolio of cutting-edge businesses in a number of industries, such as technology, healthcare, and finance. Exchange-traded funds ETFs offered by ARK provide investors with exposure to a broad spectrum of disruptive technology and emerging trends. Even though Wood's recent investing performance may have alarmed some investors, it's crucial to keep the big picture in mind. Investors such as Cathie Wood are drawn to disruptive technologies because of their potential for exponential growth over time, even if these investments frequently involve periods of instability and uncertainty. Looking ahead, it's evident that Wood's investment in Tesla is but a small portion of her larger plan for innovation and economic revolution. Whether Tesla stock hits $500 per share by 2026, Wood's dedication to finding and funding innovative businesses will probably be influencing the financial environment for years to come. If you like this analysis, please think about giving the video a like and subscribing to see more of this kind of content. I appreciate you viewing, and I hope to see you in the upcoming video. Wood is confident in the company's future growth potential, as seen by her projection that Tesla shares would reach $500 by 2026. Wood is adamant that Tesla can innovate and upend a number of industries, even in the face of current obstacles and market swings. It's important to note that Wood doesn't limit his investment approach to Tesla. In her capacity as CEO of ARK Invest, she is in charge of a broad portfolio of cutting-edge businesses in a number of industries, such as technology, healthcare, and finance. Exchange-traded funds ETFs offered by ARK provide investors with exposure to a broad spectrum of disruptive technology and emerging trends. Even though Wood's recent investing performance may have alarmed some investors, it's crucial to keep the big picture in mind. Investors such as Cathie Wood are drawn to disruptive technologies because of their potential for exponential growth over time, even if these investments frequently involve periods of instability and uncertainty. Looking ahead, it's evident that Wood's investment in Tesla is but a small portion of her larger plan for innovation and economic revolution. Whether Tesla stock hits $500 per share by 2026, Wood's dedication to finding and funding innovative businesses will probably be influencing the financial environment for years to come. If you like this analysis, please think about giving the video a like and subscribing to see more of this kind of content. I appreciate you viewing, and I hope to see you in the upcoming video.